Hey guys, it's been 3 months since I had those braids in. Okay, so a little bit over 3 months. I had them in I think January 7, I think. And today is April 10. And I'm just in the process of taking them down. I already started actually. I already have like a bit done. Okay, so I've had that done, and guys, that took me roughly 2 days to do. Like, I started around 10, stopped around 8, and that's all I was able to do for the 2 days. Yeah, it's a lot, but I also like removed the knot at the end of each of them, so the knots for everything is already removed. So that's where I'm at. And I haven't washed my hair for the past 3 months. In fact, more than 3 months, because I had my silk press hen or steam press hen way before I did my braids, like 2 weeks before. So I haven't washed my hair since then. But yeah, I wanted you guys to come with me. Well, not come with me. It's like I just wanted to show you how I take them down without losing so much hair, because guys, it has actually been so stressless. Like, apart from the length of time it's taken to get it out, each of them that's actually been so stressless, and I love that for me. Yeah. So I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like, and this is what my undergrowth looks like. Yeah, and this is where the build up is starting from. So yes, 3 months, and this is how we grew. Yeah. Okay, so usually I also like that I'm losing hair like this because I had to go to work yesterday, and all I did was do this, unpack it, and nobody. In fact, I filmed a YouTube video where my hair, some of it was already losing at the back, and yeah. Okay, so okay, I usually just put it up, put the hair up so it will get out of my way. So most people would take a scissors and cut. I can't do that because this is where my hair is reaching, and this is where the knot was, so I'm not going to take a scissors and cut. I'm just going to loosen my hair. Okay, so while I just loosen the braids, I wanted to say a few things about what I feel has helped with losing the hair. So I don't think I'm doing so much right now. I don't think so. What I think has majorly helped is what I did before I installed the braids. Okay, so before I installed the braids, I went through a protein treatment before I did my silk press. I think that really helped. Really helped. I think that the fact that I did the braids on a steam press also really helped. Like, my hair is still kind of in that steam press state. I didn't wash my hair throughout the whole of the 3 months because I was scared that, okay, the steam press would go. And thankfully it did not. But honestly, that was just one of the reasons. I was just so busy. You guys know that I recently relocated, and it's been stressful on me, very stressful. So I wasn't even thinking hair. Honestly, even right now, I'm not thinking hair. If not that the hair is, it has to come out because I've never carried braids for 3 months before. Never. So it has to come out. That's the only reason why I'm thinking about losing it. Anyways, so as I was saying, the fact that it was, the base was a steam press really helps. Like, it glides through. The fact that the braiding hair itself is silky extensions also. my hair is not knotted into the extensions, if you get what I mean. If you use the normal extensions, you would understand what I mean. Like, my hair is not woven into the extension, so it's very easy to take out. And also okay, so patience. I have a lot of patience because when I get to the root, it's a little bit matted. So yeah, patience is key. And another thing I noticed is that my hair is still moisturized. I know that's hard to believe. I know, even for me, it is hard to believe, but my hair routine has changed over the years, and my current routine is a back moisture. And I noticed that when I was doing it actually really helps. My hair doesn't get dry anymore, and I don't even deep condition. Like, that's how deep it is. So yeah, I think that also helps because my hair was already very healthy, and also I think that helps too. I also got a trim before I did the braids, so my hands are not like matted together. So yeah, I think those are the things that helps. Now this is the moment of truth, and guys, this is my secret weapon, toothpick. I don't know if you guys can see. It's a toothpick because the hands are so very tiny. So that's what I use to braid this part of the hair. So I just go in and just use it to separate the knots gently, because I know that. So gently, I use it, bring it out, put it in there, poke at the hair, just gently separate. Before I then drop it, I use my hands to separate also. Okay. Gosh, my hair feels so good, guys. So I go back, and at the roots I just pull it apart strands by strands. Okay. Okay, so then after that I then go down the shaft of the hair. Just go down like that. So all the shed hair, I also like bring them out, because I mean, we're obviously expected to have shed hair. After 3 months, it's gonna be a lot of shed hair. So after that, after I successfully did this part, I make sure to get over the shed hair because I don't want that to cause me problems when I am washing my hair. So yeah, that's it, guys. I go over and over and over to make sure that all the knots are detangled. Yeah, one by one, one by one. that is it. Easy peasy. Okay. So let's just go through one other one. Hey guys, 4 days. It took me 4 days to finish this hair. I'm just finishing 4 days, guys. In total, 6 hours at least per day. At the very least, I spent 6 straight hours on this hair per day. 6 straight hours. That means I spent at least 24 hours losing this hair. See, any style of natural hair, it takes like ×2 of the time, at least ×2 of the time that you used to make it to losing it. It's so tiring. My back aches. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys how much hair I lost. Here it is. This is all of the hair I lost. 3 months of hair loss. 3 months and 2 weeks, or even 3 weeks. Yeah, it's very expected. So I don't even know the next time I'm going to get to actually wash my hair, because I have work for the rest of the week. I've tried. For now, I have really tried, and that is it, guys, for this video. Thank you for coming on this journey with me. And I will see you in my next one, probably one that is talking about how I revived my hair after these 3 months of stressful thing that's gone through.